So wait, what if I told you that trying to learn English by just staring at a textbook, it's literally like trying to learn how to swim by reading a user manual?
I mean, I'd probably drown immediately. Zero hesitation, straight to the bottom.
Right, exactly. But that's exactly what millions of people are doing every single day.
Wait, with swimming?
No, with English. Welcome back, everybody. It is day 10.
Oh, right, day 10. Man, day 10 of the 30-day English shadowing challenge. I can't believe we made it to double digits, honestly.
I know, right? And if you're just tuning in, I'm Sam.
And I'm Alex. And my brain is already tired. Just a little bit.
Well, buckle up, Alex, because today is where the magic actually happens. But first, let's talk about the big problem.
The problem where I sound like a malfunctioning robot when I speak?
Yeah, pretty much. Hey, I mean, it's true, but rude. No, but seriously, you know all the grammar, right? You know the vocabulary.
Yeah, I mean, on paper, I'm like a genius. Give me a multiple choice test and I will crush it.
Exactly. But then you open your mouth to actually talk to a real human being, and what happens?
It's a disaster. My tongue literally feels like it's tied in a knot. I stutter, I forget words.
Yep.
I just sound so flat, hello, I am very happy to meet you.
The classic robot voice, yes. And that right there is the biggest pain point for intermediate learners.
Okay, so how do we fix it? Because I don't want to sound like a GPS navigation system anymore, Sam.
We fix it with shadowing, which is the whole point of this 30-day challenge.
Right, shadowing. So what exactly is it? Because every time you say it, I just picture a spy creeping around in an alleyway.
Okay, no trench coats required, I promise.
Dang it.
Shadowing in language learning is basically, imagine you're in your car driving down the highway.
Okay, I'm driving. Got the windows down.
Right, and your absolute favorite song comes on the radio. What do?
I mean, I turn it all the way up and I sing along, obviously.
Exactly. But do you wait for the singer to finish a line before you sing the next one?
No, I sing it with them, at the exact same time.
Boom, right there. That is shadowing, Alex.
Wait, really? Just singing along?
Well, with speaking, yeah. You listen to a native speaker and you repeat what they are saying while they are saying it, like an echo.
Like an echo. Oh, wait, so not listening, pausing, and then repeating.
Nope, that's the old way. That's listen and repeat. We don't do that here.
Oh, wow. Okay, so if I'm listening to you say, I'm going to the store, I'm basically saying I'm going to the store almost on top of you?
Literally on top of me. You are my shadow.
Man, that sounds stressful.
It is at first. It's super messy. Your mouth is going to get so tired.
My mouth already hurts just thinking about it, honestly.
But here's the crazy insight. When you shadow, you aren't just learning words. You are downloading the music of the language.
The music? Like the rhythm?
Yes. English is a stress-timed language. It has a beat. Da-dum, da-da-dum.
Okay, wait, I'm lost. Stress-timed? What does that even mean?
Okay, think of it like a grumpy waiter at a busy restaurant.
Oh, I love your weird analogies. Bring on the grumpy waiter.
So the waiter only cares about the important stuff, right? He doesn't care about the little words.
Right, he just wants your order.
Exactly. So he doesn't say, I would like to have a cup of coffee. Every word equal.
Right, that's my robot voice again.
He says, I'd like a cup of coffee.
Oh, cup, coffee. Those are the big words.
Exactly. The big words get the stress, they take more time, and all the little words in between just get squished together.
Squished. I'd like just becomes one sound. Idlika.
Yes, idlika, cup of coffee. That squishing, that's what shadowing forces your mouth to do automatically.
Whoa, so it bypasses my brain entirely?
Yep. It's pure mouth gymnastics. It builds muscle memory, so you stop thinking about grammar rules.
Oh my gosh, my brain would love to stop thinking about grammar rules, Sam. You have no idea.
Well, that's the beauty of day 10. You're starting to actually feel it.
Okay, I'm sold. But how do I actually do it without tripping over my own tongue?
Well, tripping is literally part of the process. But the trick is you don't wait.
Wait, what do you mean don't wait? Like don't pause the audio?
Exactly. Most people hit play, listen to a sentence, hit pause, and then repeat it.
Yeah, because that's how we learned in school,
Repeat after me, kids.
Right. But shadowing is, well, it's simultaneous. You actually speak while the person is speaking.
Oh, like an annoying little sibling copying everything you say?
Yes, literally that exact annoying thing, just half a second behind.
Wait. If I'm talking while they're talking, how do I even hear what they're saying?
It sounds impossible, but think about when your favorite song comes on the radio.
Oh, okay, like when I'm singing along in the car?
Spot on, Alex. You don't pause Taylor Swift to sing the next line, right? You just roll with it.
I mean, I try to. Sometimes I just mumble the lyrics I don't know.
Mumbling. Okay, yes, that is actually the secret step.
Wait, really? Mumbling is a real technique? I thought I was just being lazy.
No, it's a massive deal. I call it the mumble phase.
Okay, you're gonna have to explain the mumble phase, Sam, because I am an expert mumbler.
So when you shadow for the first time, your mouth muscles are, stiff.
Like going to the gym without warming up.
Exactly. So for the first few times you listen to the audio, you don't try to say the words perfectly. You just hum or mumble the rhythm.
Just the rhythm. So no actual words.
Barely any words, just the intonation, like What? Okay, wait, let's use the coffee sentence. 𝗖𝗢𝗣𝗬𝗥𝗚𝗧𝗜𝗖𝗍. Right. So if I'm mumbling that, I just go, Wait, now. Close. You want to hit the big stresses. So, e.
Oh, because cup and coffee are the loud ones.
Yes, you're feeling the music of the language before you worry about the vocabulary.
Wow, that takes so much pressure off.
Right? You don't have to be perfect. You just ride the wave of the sound.
Okay, but eventually I have to use real words, right? Or people are going to think I'm crazy at Starbucks.
Please don't just mumble at the barista. Yes, eventually you add words.
So what's step 2 then, after I'm a professional mumbler?
Step 2 is getting the text, the transcript.
Wait, I thought you said earlier not to read.
I said don't rely on reading forever. But at the start, you need it like training wheels.
Okay, training wheels, got it. So I listen, I read, and I speak out loud, all at once.
Yes, and you will trip, you will stumble, you'll probably skip half the words.
Which is extremely frustrating, by the way. Like, I hate making mistakes.
Everyone does, but the golden rule of shadowing is never stop the audio.
Really? Even if I totally butcher a sentence?
Even if you totally butcher it, if you mess up, just jump back in on the next word. Let the audio drag you along.
Wow, that's intense. It's kind of like a treadmill, huh?
That is a brilliant analogy, Alex. Yes, if you trip on a treadmill, you don't pause the machine, right? You just catch your footing.
Yeah, or you fall off and look like an idiot at the gym.
Fair. But in your bedroom shadowing, no one sees you fall off.
True. So I just keep going. I force my mouth to keep up with the native speaker speed.
Exactly. And over these 30 days, especially by day 10, something magical happens.
Ooh, magic. I love magic. What happens?
Those tiny squished words we talked about, the 𝗖𝗢𝗣𝗣𝗏.
The 𝗖𝗢𝗣𝗣𝗏, the grumpy waiter thing.
Yes, the grumpy waiter. Your mouth starts making those sounds without your brain translating them first.
It just becomes an automatic chunk.
A chunk, exactly. You stop thinking I, space, would, space, like, space, a.
Because nobody actually talks like a robot with spaces between words.
Right. So let's do a quick challenge. You ready?
Oh boy, put on the spot. Okay, bring it on, Sam.
I'm going to say a sentence at normal speed. I want you to shadow me, half a second behind.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm gonna be your annoying sibling.
Here we go. What are you going to do this weekend?
What you gonna do? Wait, weekend. I lost it.
That was perfect. I mean, a perfect example of what happens when you overthink.
I literally, my brain just completely short-circuited right there.
Because you tried to listen to the individual words, right?
Yeah, I was waiting for the word are and the word you.
Exactly. But I didn't say what are you. I said whatcha.
Whatcha? Right, it's just this one big messy blob of sound.
A beautifully efficient blob, Alex.
Okay, beautifully efficient.
So instead of thinking about the spelling, try to just feel the rhythm of it.
Just the rhythm, like music almost.
Exactly, like music. Let's do it again, but this time, do not think about the grammar at all.
No grammar. Got it. Just pure parrot mode.
pure parrot mode. You ready?
Yep, hit me.
What you gonna do this weekend?
What you gonna do this weekend?
Yes! See, how did that feel?
Oh, wow, that was actually a lot smoother. I didn't trip over my tongue at all.
Because you bypassed the actual translation filter in your head.
The grumpy waiter didn't have time to complain.
Exactly. You just ignored the waiter entirely and went straight to the kitchen.
I love that. So is this what people should be focusing on for day 10 of the challenge?
100%. Because around day 10, this is what I call the Valley of Despair.
Oh, ominous. The Valley of Despair. Sounds fun.
I mean, it's true. The initial excitement wears off and you're just like, my jaw literally hurts.
Yeah, I feel like my face muscles are doing a workout they never signed up for.
They are. You're literally building brand new muscle memory for English sounds.
So if you're feeling frustrated right now on day 10, that's totally normal?
It's more than normal. It's mandatory. If you aren't tired, you aren't doing it right.
Wait, really? Mandatory?
Well, I mean, yeah, kind of. You're physically reshaping how you speak. It takes energy.
So what's the actionable step for our listeners today if they're stuck in the valley?
Great question. The step is pick just one 10-second audio clip today. Just one.
Just 10 seconds? That feels, I don't know, too easy.
It sounds easy, but you're going to shadow that 10 seconds 50 times.
50? Okay, never mind. That is definitely not easy.
But by the 50th time, you will completely own that chunk of English.
It becomes yours forever.
Exactly. It'll just pop out of your mouth automatically in a real conversation.
Like magic, or like a well-trained parrot.
Whichever you prefer, Alex.
You know what? I want to give them a challenge right now, like a specific phrase to shadow.
Oh, I love that. What do you have in mind?
How about, I would have gone if I had known?
Oh, that's a tricky one. Lots of reductions in there. I would have gone.
Wait, let's make it real messy. I would have gone.
I would have gone if I'd known. Oh, that's perfect.
So for everyone listening, try shadowing that with us right now.
Here we go. I would have gone if I'd known.
Try to be right behind Sam, half a second delay.
I would have gone if I'd known.
I would have gone if I'd known.
Nice. Did you guys get it?
If you didn't, just rewind the podcast. Do it 50 times.
Welcome to day 10, folks. It really only gets better from here, I promise.
And if you're enjoying this 30-day challenge with us, make sure to hit subscribe.
Yeah, we'll be back for day 11 tomorrow, so definitely don't miss it.
Keep shadowing, keep annoying your roommates.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, guys.